Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in office supplies, home essentials, and everything in between. Today, we're talking about the SUNEE folders with pockets, the ultimate folders for organizing your important documents. If you're looking for a practical, durable, and stylish way to keep your papers in order, then these are the best folders you can get. Each pack of SUNEE folders includes 6 vibrant folders in different vintage colors, perfect for color coding and organizing your files with ease. These plastic folders are made from high-quality polypropylene material, which is tear-resistant, waterproof, and dust-proof. This makes them perfect for daily use, whether at school, home, or in the office. Unlike paper folders, these poly folders hold up well even in outdoor conditions. The size of these folders is ideal for letter-sized documents, measuring 9.5 by 11.5 inches. You can easily fit 50 pages per pocket, giving you plenty of space to store all your essential papers. Whether it's important school notes, receipts, or business documents, these folders ensure everything stays safe and organized. Another key feature is the easy-to-use pockets. The outer edges are heat-sealed for durability, while the inner edges are free-floating, making it simple to insert or remove documents whenever you need to. This practical design allows you to add more papers as necessary without worrying about the folders tearing or getting damaged. SUNEE folders are designed to last for years, offering both strength and flexibility. Whether you're a student trying to keep your schoolwork together, a professional organizing your business documents, or a parent keeping track of important papers at home, these folders are built to handle it all. Plus, with their stylish and modern vintage colors, they'll add a touch of personality to your desk or filing cabinet. So if you're in need of durable, reliable, and attractive folders, the SUNEE folders with pockets are your best bet. Head over to the link in the description below to grab your pack and make organizing your documents a breeze. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more fantastic product reviews.